To lose weight, you will need to combine detailed tracking of your caloric intake with a carefully selected variety of healthy foods and regular exercise. Use a calorie counting smartphone app or website to keep a detailed record of the calories you eat each day. The best calorie counting apps have databases with accessible information about the calories of most foods and recipes, and they can help you track your eating over time. Choose to eat lean protein such as chicken breast, salmon, or tofu, a wide variety of green and leafy vegetables, as well as a selection of fruits and whole grains. Swap out unhealthy fats like butter for healthy choices like olive oil. Avoid alcoholic beverages, which are high in calories and can also stimulate your appetite. Try eating several small meals throughout the day instead of a few larger meals. This will help keep your energy levels up and prevent you from getting too hungry. Also, drink plenty of cool water to stay hydrated, which can keep you fuller longer. Avoid juice, soda, and other sweetened drinks. It's important to reduce your daily calorie intake, but don't eat fewer than 1,200 calories a day, which can trigger your body's starvation response and slow your weight loss. Also aim for 30 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise each day. Depending on your level of fitness, you can get the exercise you need by walking, running, swimming, cycling, or taking a class at the gym. Mix things up with strength training. You don't need any special equipment. Bodyweight exercises, such as lunges, squats, and push-ups, can all help you get toned and burn fat. Find friends or family to work on losing weight with you so that you can support each other. With consistent attention to diet and exercise, you'll lose weight in a healthy, sustainable way.